I'm living illegally in Canada. I don't have any status. What can I do? My name is Kehinde Olalere. I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer. My name is Taiwo Olalere. I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer. First of all, the first thing you should do is to consult with a good Canadian immigration lawyer. A consultation is an opportunity to explain your situation in detail to the Canadian immigration lawyer, and for the immigration lawyer to look at your overall circumstances and determine what the best option or way forward is there for you. One of the options that you have to regularize your status in Canada is to file a humanitarian and compassionate application for permanent residence. The minister has the power to grant you permanent residence on humanitarian and compassionate grounds. There are many factors that the minister considers. One of those factors is to look at your situation, basically your personal circumstances. Number two, to look at the best interest of the child or children that may be directly affected. It doesn't have to be your own child, it can be any child whose best interest will be directly affected. The minister will look at your country conditions. What is the situation in your country, and how is that going to adversely affect you? The minister will look at your family situation in Canada and outside of Canada. That is a very important factor that the minister looks at to determine whether to grant you permanent residence on humanitarian and compassionate grounds. The minister will look at your establishment in Canada. What have you been doing since you arrived in Canada? So they will be looking at your establishment in Canada is similar to ties to Canada. Okay, your involvement in Canadian society. So that is a very important factor that the minister looks at to determine whether to grant you permanent residence on humanitarian and compassionate grounds. There are many other factors. This is just a few of them. So that is why it's very important to consult with a Canadian immigration lawyer as quickly as possible. This type of application is a very complex application. It's not something that you are best positioned to handle. It's better to get an experienced immigration lawyer to handle this type of application for you. At Olalere Law Office, we've been doing this for close to 20 years. We've had many successful humanitarian and compassionate applications for permanent residence for people that are out of status. And for people that sometimes are even in status, we've done humanitarian and compassionate application for permanent residence for them. So it's very important that you engage the services of an experienced Canadian immigration lawyer. If you'd like to book a consultation with us, you can reach us at +1 613 799 7572. Again, +1 613 799 7572. That number is on WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you.